Small dude, huh? Bitch. Catch. Wolf armor, dog. Oh, keep on that side. Ooh, that's giant, nigga. That's a fucking anchor production. Giant right there. Go. There we go, guys. Colin just hooked up to a big one. Woo! Mama right here. All day. Yeah, yay. With Sac Finest. Sac Town's Finest. Oh. Keep finding them. You're good all day. There we go. That's a giant. That's a 40. 40 all, huh? He's taking the lead. Damn, sucker. No, I think this is like 35 up. He's done. Ooh, boy. Ooh, ooh. Turn him over here. Oh, he ain't done. He ain't done. Watch out for Joe's pull, Jerry's pull back here, alright? Get that in, Jerry. Alright, just keep finding him. Yeah, he ain't done, dude. He's still going. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Woo! Oh, damn! Lucky. Ooh. We'll get back here with y'all too. Ooh, right there, guys. Alright, Jerry, go get him. Yeah. He ain't done. Woo, boys. Look at that. Right there. He's done right here. There we go. Woo! That one. Look at that, guys. Yeah, dog. That's what we do. That's what we're looking for. Get the measuring tape. I get the weigh, dog. Let's do this. The ender. I think 37, huh? 34, huh? Yeah. Got meditate. Let me get the weigher. That shit just took off? You didn't even watch it, huh? 32? Come on. Put him down. Put him on the ground. Let's see. Over here. I'll take it. What is it? Oh, there's 34. Oh, man. No, I'm 34. I'm 33.5 together. You want to get a picture? Where's your phone? Where's one to take it? Alright, Jerry got it. me get out of here. Nah, you fuck it.
Almost 11.
About 11 pounds.
11 pounds, yeah. Yeah. Let's do it out. Yeah. Yeah, 11 pounds. Got him. Got him. Got him. Woo! Yep, there you go. Woo! Good size right there too. What you talking about? Yeah, you said I ain't that small. Woo, boy. Here, let me get the net for y'all. No. Let me get the net. Keep fighting. Woo, drag this thing up. Already off. Oh, he ain't done. Big ass line too, huh? What you got? That's how it bites too sometimes. You fall right in front of the face. What's your leader? Yo, no worries then. Oh, no, just don't force the hook out. Oh, you good to keep fighting though. You got nothing. Been like 5 minutes, I think. That's how you can hit when they're there. They're there, big ones. 40? 40? Ooh. Nah, he's 30. He's 30. Yeah, he's done. Oh no, he's about to run right now. Yeah. Yeah, he's done. Woo! Boy, that's another one. Another good one. Now that's your workout. Woo! I don't know, we'll see. I want to get a bigger one. I don't know, check it. So you can pop it out. That's good, perfect hoodie. How about rib, huh? Oh. Fire in. Fine, let's go, huh? Fire fell off. What's my fire? Yeah, over here, my fire right here. Y'all need my fire? Come. Got it? Be sure and weigh them and measure them, dog. Where's your measuring tape go? Right here, let's weigh them. Good time, dude. We'll call 12. We'll call 12. Alright, here's it. Let's measure him too. Let's see. Got him? Woo, boy. And bang some big ones only. Damn. Get out of the picture for Jerry. I think I'm folding bottom him. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, I think he's bigger than yours, Cone. I think he's 35. Damn, Jerry took the lead. Damn. No wonder he said you're feeling lucky. Measure. Oh. He said he want to look first. What's the measure tape? I think, did you have one? Jerry? I don't know, huh? Oh, kind of pull out a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, right there. Yeah, tao lo là tao lo bằng cái lùi. Ngáp phải kia ha. Vô anh chơi. Phải kia. Yeah. Are you kidding me? This guy right here. Got him. Hold on. Alright, go. Got him. Go on, take it. Fight there.
You recording it or what?
Yeah, it's on. It's blinking, right? Yeah, it's going.
No, we doing shot count, baby.
Yeah, hold it up here. 34. Is it? He popped off?
Man, that's too big, bro. Too big.
Alright. What do you think? Damn. Ooh, come on. 34 here. Damn. Yep, take him up. Damn. I don't think not still huh? I know I think. Oh, got a nice one. This side. Ooh, there we go. Yeah. With Sacramento Fishaholic. He is, dog. He ain't done. Whoa. Go. Nice. Oh, like 26, 27, dude. Woo. Bang another one, guys. There we go. Yeah, he's banging another one. 24, 25. Net. He's gonna pull him in. Not that big. Oh, he ain't playing though. Oh, it came off. Oh, nope. I'll say. Come that way. Woo! There we go. How long cheeseburger he said? There we go. I don't got back in. I don't know. Nah, that guy's like 25. Bet 24, 25. 22. Everywhere. Just throw everywhere. Ooh, up there. You got one? Ooh. Good size?
Oh, no, right here, right here. Oh, right there. Guy right there. There's a guy right there shaking. I know. Where you shooting, Jay? Right here in front of us, right in front of us. Missed it. Ooh, came back for it. Came back for it. Yeah, baby. Yeah. I know. Sorry, they're still in there. Still jumping everywhere. They're still here. Everywhere. Ooh. Oh, like it, huh? Ooh, Jerry. Ooh. Yours the other side. Then I'm gonna throw the bone, dog. Bone. They see better. You wanna throw it, Jerry? Dude. Ooh, ooh. Triple, double. There we go. Watch your hand. You know what's your hand, John? You know the man. Jaw, huh? Yeah. Banger, John. You got him? You got a big line just before me. Do you? Bring him up right there. Nah, bây giờ thì chỉ tụi à. That is big. You got him? They around everywhere. They're hitting up there. Oh, Jerry, your shit. Miss, huh? Oh, another one fall? Oh. 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 Yeah. Ooh, ooh. There we go. Bang them, guys, bang them. Bueno, te tuve. Yeah, there we go, guys. Bangers production. Yeah. Ooh. Damn. Oh, mine? Oh, my guy's not small, dude. My guy's not small. Yep. Get him. Trying to get my guy out. Whoa. Hey, where's the pliers? Y'all got one? I got one up here. With Team Bangers. Catch, buddy. Good shit. Nice hat. Kike tu cer, Jojo. Got him. Big one. What? Yeah, go ahead. That's fine. Oh shit. That's what we do. Fucking fuck, yeah. Team Bangers. This guy's big. Ooh. I don't know. He's giving up. Jumping everywhere, dog. Ooh, this guy's big. Ooh, yeah, this guy's big. Already. Oh, y'all got me in that? There. Woo. This guy's 30.
Hell no, fool.
Oh, come on, Jerry, get it. Got it. Woo! Right there, baby. Woo. This guy, oh damn, this guy is Ooh, he jumped in. My hook came and got me, yo. I mean, open him out. Nah, it's cool. Let you know, no.
I gotta come out here.
Oh, okay. Hey, give me the plier. It's right there by you, should be. This guy right here.
in production.
Ain't nobody can do it better than we do.
Okay. Yeah, they are. There you go, guys. Another one. Another one. Woo. What? Come on. I don't know. What's up, man? They're long. Which cut, Which cut, I-40, which cut? Ooh, very good. He is big. He is big. They're over here. Woo! There we go. Ooh, he's big, dude. Here, Jerry. Jerry. Ooh. Yeah, baby, double up. Oh, it came off. Another one. They're over here. Woo, baby, hell yeah. Woo, baby. Double up. Double up. Woo. Oh, yo, I got you. Oh, yo, one big dollar, yeah. Fuck. Oh, like, yeah. Oh, yo, sorry. Shut up. What? Oh, có liền nữa. Yeah, nhỏ nữa. Có cho bài. Yeah, cho bài. Yeah, my bad. 20, 30, yeah. There we go.
He almost knocked me out, bro.
There we go. 30. Shit, flashing, huh? Alright. right there, I told you. No, that one, that boat Waco didn't have that front bar. Oh, right there, see? Don't need to go nowhere, dude. There we go, dude. This guy about to go backwards. Stop right there. Oh, they in there. Tell him I put on. Ooh, now kill one. I didn't believe you. Got him. Oh, your line, oh. Yeah, I got him, but I don't know where your line's at. Okay. I got your line right here, no? I think I do. No? Okay, okay, go. Ooh. Woo, baby. Another one. Woo, he's a good size, dude. Woo! Another one, guys. Another one. There we go. Another one right there, too. Woo! Hey, you love it. You came out with us. Hey, I always wanted to come over here, man. Nah, I don't know about that. I'll still come. Where? Up there? Fuck it. Double up. What's up, buddy? Banger production. That's what we do. This is what we do around here. Bangers right there. Woo! Tripo. Stop jumping, my nigga. Come on, dude. Stop it. You about to hook me. Ooh, damn, they're over there. Damn. Woo!
Jerry just kicked that nigga. Woo! There we go. 30 now. Ooh. Ooh. Woo, baby. Back to back to back. Man, y'all missing out. Stop, homie.
Make a bet. How long is that video gonna be? 30 minutes.
Whoa. Huh? Another little one. Ooh, right there. It did hit. Oh. Woo! Back to back to back. Y'all want me to get closer for y'all? Oh, yeah, that's good. Woo! Damn. Ow. Stop it, buddy. Stop it. Oh. Fuck no, nigga. Oh, chitting on it. Chitting on it. Ooh. Your shit, huh? That calm area right there, Jerry. Alright. We'll go close and then we'll drive up. I mean, we'll go up there. I got a troll. I got a troll too, man. Don't worry. I got you. Woo, Jerry's got another one. There we go. There we go. Banging production. Ooh. Jerry's was bigger. I get right now. My pole can't bring it up like this. Yeah, they are. There you go, guys. Another one. Another one. Woo. What? Why? I don't know. What's up, I am? The law. Which car? High 40, which car? Ooh, right there. He is big. He is big. They're over here. Woo! There we go. Ooh, he's big, dude. Here, Jerry. Jerry. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, baby, double up. Oh, came on. Another one. They're over here. Woo, baby, hell yeah. Woo, baby. Double up. Double up. Woo. Oh, yo. I got you. Oh, yo. Con bé đảo liều chứ. Fuck.
Told you don't bring too much fishing rod, bro.
Ồ, lay kìa. Oh, yo. Mày có thể chết. Đây. Oh, kalian ini. Yeah, ngon này ha. Nó drop by. Yeah, drop by. 30, yeah.
I'm a big guy. All big guy.
Ooh, there we go, there we go. There we go, 30. Shit, flashing, huh? Y'all try the top, I'll try the bottom. Drive up. Y'all wanna drive up or y'all wanna just keep? Ooh, okay right there. Oh. Yeah, full one. It's full. Another one. Yeah. Oh, not through here. Yeah, baby, double up.